Hi, I'm Ryan from educate.me, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly zoom in on a section on your Mac screen to help students see a particular part of the screen or other information that you'd like their attention to be drawn to. So I have a Mac hooked up here, and we are going to use the screen magnifier that's built into the accessibility features. So to set this up, we need to go to Set System Preferences and then Accessibility. And then underneath there's zoom. We only need to do this once. This is what we need to turn on. Use scroll gesture with modifier keys to zoom. What that means is if I hold down the control key, and now if I do a 2-finger scroll on the trackpad, or if you have a mouse with a wheel in it, you can use the wheel. But 2 fingers on the trackpad or 2 fingers on your track wheel. If I hold down the control when I do it, watch what happens. It zooms in wherever my mouse pointer is. Now, that's pretty cool, and it will follow my mouse pointer when it gets to the edge. We can change that a little bit. Let me zoom back out. So I'm just going to use the control, hold down the control key, and I'm going to move my 2 fingers on the trackpad like I'm scrolling downward on a page. Scrolling upward zooms in, scrolling downward moves out. I like to do this when zoomed in the screen image by default only when it reaches the edge. I like to move it continuously with the pointer. And once that's turned on, now I'm going to hold down control. I got the control key held down. I'm moving up on the trackpad. Now as I move my mouse pointer around, the whole screen magnifies with it. Makes it a little bit easier to move to the section that you want the students to focus on. Now where this comes in handy is if you're on the browser and you want to type in a website, I can type in the website, then I can hold down control and zoom that really big up on the screen so they can see exactly what I want them to type in. Or if we're on a site, now all I'm doing is control, I'm scrolling down. So as I'm scrolling through a site, if I want them to focus in on one paragraph, I can do that really easy. If you have this hooked up to an interactive whiteboard and I start to draw on it, it's going to be a little bit funky because the interactive whiteboard software doesn't know that you're zoomed in, so you won't really be able to use those tools while you're zoomed in. Something to be aware of. So we'll go back to how we set that up. We start up System Preferences, go to Accessibility, click on Zoom, and then we check this, use the scroll gesture with modifier keys to zoom. If I hold down the control and I use the 2-finger scroll, it's going to zoom in or out. And the other thing I changed was I wanted to zoom continuously with the pointer. Really quick and easy video today that comes in very, very handy when you're teaching from a Mac to your classroom. Hopefully, if you like this video, hit like down below, and also check out my website over at educate.me. Stay classy.